no gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her.
Okay, so we're doing another all digital 2 off of 10 scenarios. Okay, so for this one you need the clip where we're going to get 2 of the Febreze Unstoppable, the Purex. We're going to use that 2 off of 10, the 4 off of 2, and the $1.50 for the Purex. Okay. Okay, so I already told you need to clip your 4 off of 2 for the Febreze, your $1.50 for the Purex, and your 2 off of 10. All they're going to equal up to $11. That $2 off of 10 going to come off, make it $9. The 4 off of 2 going to come off for the Febreze, make it $5. The $1.50 for the Purex going to come off, make it $3.50 for 3 items, making each item $1.60. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is showing that you can come up with good deals without having the razors, because I'm going to do this deal myself because I'm more focused on the Purex since they have the bigger bottles, and that Febreze Unstoppable because that is like a high price item, and I actually prefer the Febreze Unstoppable spray versus the regular Febreze sprays, but that's just my personal preference. So let's see what other deals we can come up with. Okay, so the next all digital deals that we're going to come up with is one dealing with bleach, okay? So a lot of people ask me, how can I use my big razor to get bleach? Okay, so this is the deal I came up with, and I'm going to do this deal myself. I'm going to get the Purex, which is $3, the big razor, $2.85, and 2 of the Clorox bleach. They actually is $2.25 in my store, but online it shows $2.50, okay? So I'm going to look at the other screen that you see the close-up of what coupons you need to clip. Okay, so you need to clip the $1.50 for the Purex, your $3 off for the big razor, your $1 off of 2 for the Clorox products, and your $2 off for your 2 off of 10. Okay, so all of that going to equal up to $10.35. That 2 off of 10 gonna come off, make it $8.35. The $1 off of 2 gonna come off for the Clorox, make it $7.35. $3 gonna come off for the big razor, make it $4.35. $1.50 gonna come off for the Purex and make it $2.85 for 4 items, making each item only 71 cents. But if I'm not mistaken, I think actually my total was a little cheaper. Nope, it was right. It was right. Y'all got my head all twisted. But this is just showing some examples of how you can use that big razor coupons. I'm really not going to do too much because I want to save a lot for my 5 off of 25. So I'm going to do the in-store video, and I hope you enjoy. Okay. So this is Short Mama 757 couponer. So I'm going to run in here and see can I do 2 in-stores videos. Yeah, no, I did not clean my car window out yet. I want to do that when I get off of work today because I'm not fortunate enough to be able to stay at home. I'm just joking with y'all. But yes, I do have to work today. So I'm going to do 2 of these scenarios. You know, right now one person asked about bleach and how they can use the big coupon for bleach, and then another the Febreze Unstoppables. And I want to do the game deal, but I know my store don't have any other games, so I might have to go to another store real quick before it's time for me to go to work. So I have a mic on, so we're gonna go in store and see how this mic work. I don't know if it's gonna be loud or not, but we're gonna find out. We testing the mic out, and y'all can't hear me, then y'all say send that joker back to Amazon. So just see how this goes. Okay, so for one of my transactions, I'm gonna get the Purex. I'm also gonna get 2 of the Unstoppable. I think I'm gonna get the air freshener because I don't have much of the air freshener. Okay, so for my first transaction, I'm going to get 1 Purex, 2 Unstoppables. I'm using a $1.50 digital for the Purex and a 4 off of 2 for the Unstoppable. My total should be around $3.50. I'll put a clip showing what scenario I'm doing for the first transaction. Okay, so for my second transaction, I'm going to grab this last Purex. I already got my big razor, and now all I have to do is get my 2 bottles of bleach. Okay, here are the 2 bottles of bleach, and they are $2.25 at my store. I put down $2.50, but I prefer to get the spray, so I'm gonna go over here and see if they got any spray for $2.50. Okay, so I'm deciding I'm gonna just go ahead and get the 2 bleach. Okay. Okay, so for this transaction, we use the $1 off of 2 for the Clorox, the $1.50 for the Purex, and your $3 off digital for the razor. So all of this should come up to, I think, around $2. I put a clip of where everything is. So just go to the register and see how our transaction work.
That's it for this one?
Yeah, that's all.
404.
Okay. Excuse me. All right.
335.
Okay. Okay, so the first transaction, is this my first transaction? No, this is my second transaction. Okay, so the first transaction, my total came up as planned, $3.50. As you can see, everything came off, and that was my total. Okay, because I really am trying to get this Purex, because a lot of people in my area like the Purex actually. So that was that one. Okay. And then the second transaction was with the Clorox bleach and everything. And as you can see here, it rung up. My total ended up being $2.85. They was actually $2.25 a piece. I thought it was $3.50 a piece. So it ended up being $2.85. So this is another example how you can use that big coupon to get the things that you actually need. Okay, so I'm going to see if I have time to go to another store to see if I can find any of the Gain products. If I can, I'm just gonna wrap this video up, and I think I had to put a bonus scenario for the Gain in my scenarios, and I just put that up there, and y'all can try it and tag me and let me know if it work or not. Okay, so let me go ahead and see if I can find it or have time to do it. Oh, and let me know how this mic is working, because I'm not sure yet. I'll listen and see. Okay, so this is a bonus scenario because I did not have time to go do the Gain deal. So you will need your duster starter kit, your Swiffer refill, 2 of the Gain Flings have to be the original, and a Gain detergent, also the original to be on the safe side. You're going to need 2 of those Gain Fling coupons. Those exclusive coupons, the $2 off refill for the Swiffer, the $2 off starter kit, your 5 off of 20, your $1 off of the Gain detergent, and your 2 off of 10. Okay? So let's see what deals we can come up with. Okay, so I already told you the coupons that you need to clip: the 2 flings, the $2 off of 10, your 5 off of 20, your $2 off for the Swiffer refill, your $1 off for the Gain the Gain detergent, and your $2 off for the starter kit. All they're gonna equal up to $20.85. That 5 off for 20 for the Gain gonna come off, make it $15.85. The 2 off of 10 gonna come off, make it $13.85. The $2 off the Swiffer refill gonna come off, make it $11.85. The $2 off the Swiffer starter kit make it $9.85. The $1 off for the Gain detergent make it $8.85. The $2 off for the Gain Fling make 2 of those coupons make it $4.85 for 5 items, making each item only 95 cents. You might have to put a filler in, I don't know, but hopefully if you try these deals in the workout, just tag me and let me know. Okay, and I feel like Dollar General had just messed up the church's money, because why would y'all give us a 2 off of 10 at the end of the week knowing that we got a 5 off of 25 Saturday? I feel like they should have gave us this at the beginning of the week. Yep, y'all know me. I love to rant. But anyway, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. Like this video, share this video, and thank you to all my teen shorties, and do all those things they tell you to do at the end of the video. Bye.